Hi, this is Annie Sam with Moto IQ. I'm here with Billy Johnson at the Redline Time Attack at the Auto Club Speedway. Billy, I heard you did a lot of improvements since the last race that you did. Can you go through what you've done? I've heard actually that you've been running a lot better.
Yeah, we've definitely made a lot of changes to the car, a lot to the cooling system, the suspension, but by far the biggest change and biggest improvement was our brake package. We went to a brand new Performance Friction forged monoblock brake caliper. This caliper has 4 brake pads per caliper, 1 brake pad per piston, and the caliper itself is a forged monoblock. It's a 14-inch rotor, front and rear, and it definitely has really improved our braking zones by being a lot more consistent, being rock hard pedal every time you hit it, and definitely just a very, very strong and great piece of technology that we've added to the car. So we can check it out right over here. And it's their forged monoblock caliper, and the rotor is the exact same dimple design that they used on the street, and the dimples let clean the pad material similarly to a slot without adding too much wear to the pad. It also has similar benefits to cross drilling without losing that structural integrity of having a hole all the way through the rotor. So the dimples definitely are a really great design, and the hat design as well is a lot beefier than what we had on there before, and definitely really giving us the stopping power that we need to slow this car down from over 170 miles an hour here at the track.
That you're actually running only 1 master cylinder on the race car. How are you pulling it off?
That's a very good question. Performance Friction goes to the exact same measures that they do on their race cars that they do for their street cars to calculate the right piston sizes and the rotor sizes for that application. And for us, since this is a street kit, they've designed it so we can use the stock master cylinder. We don't need a twin master setup like most race cars have. Performance Friction actually took this car, like if you take a Daytona prototype, a JGTC car, a Champ car, any of those kinds of racing cars that they make racing kits for, they do a lot of engineering to the brake package to find the right balance for that car. And they did the exact same thing for our NSX here by measuring the stock piston sizes, figuring out the brake forces that are generated, the tire sizes, and looking at a lot of the suspension geometry and roll centers to really figure out how the car maximizes the tires and decelerates the best using all 4 corners. Like if you just put a big brake kit up front, it really affects the balance, and you quite often have even worse brake performance.
All right, Billy, well, thanks for your time.
Of course.
We have another day tomorrow. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Now we gotta do the tuner market version. So you gotta go, yo, I'm Billy Johnson, yo. This is some shit right here, yo.